If one of your AirPod is not working, this video is for you. I've done all the research to find out all the possible solutions to fix this issue of one of the AirPod not working. So stick till the end of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank. I'm a technologist based in Singapore, and on this channel we explore different technology topics, tricks as well as devices to help you become tech smart. So let's start fixing your AirPods today. First thing first, clean it. Yes, you heard me right. You need to clean your AirPod properly because it does have some sort of lint inside. So it's better to clean it so that any obstruction that the dirt might be really causing in terms of functioning of the AirPod or anything similar, it's going to go away. So to clean it, never use cotton. These cotton buds are not something that you should be using ever because that can leave some sort of lint inside the AirPod itself. So it's better to use a microfiber cloth so that it does not really leave any sort of lint inside your AirPod or AirPod case. So to clean it, what you need to do is basically take it out, clean the AirPod properly with the microfiber cloth. You can use this cotton bud. On top of it, put your microfiber cloth, rotate it properly, and then just take it out. That's how you're going to clean the AirPod. On top of it, all you need to do is clean the sensor that is here. This actually is an in-ear sensor. You need to clean it properly so that if it is an issue because of the sensor, it does start working. Second way to fix your AirPod is to repair your AirPod with your device. To do that, all you need to do is go inside your device's Bluetooth setting, look for AirPod, click on the I button, and then forget this device. Once you do that, now open your AirPod, open the lid, press the button on the back of the AirPod for 15 seconds. Wait for the light that is orange right now to turn white. Once it is done, then connect it on your device and it should work. If this also doesn't work for you, in that case the third option is to reset the network settings. To do that, on your device, open settings, click on general, scroll to reset. Inside the reset menu, you will find this option called reset network settings. Click on that, follow the steps, and after that repeat all the steps that we did in the second method. If it doesn't work after that as well, in that case we move to the fourth option. Fourth option is to disable in-ear settings, automatic in-ear settings, so that let's say even if you clean the sensor properly and the sensor is still not working, you can try make it work by disabling the sensor altogether. To do that, all you need to do is simply open Bluetooth, click on I button while AirPod is connected with your device, disable automatic ear detection, and then you can try using your AirPods. Okay, you might have tried all the four settings and it might not be really working after all these particular techniques that I've shared with you. The fifth option is to charge your AirPod to 100% or for 30 minutes of time to make sure your AirPod has enough battery, because it could be a possibility that the AirPod that wasn't really working earlier, it is not charged even after you have really removed the lint. That might be causing the issue. So it's better to charge it for 30 minutes, try it after that time as well and see if it is working or not. If none of these settings actually work, don't waste your time researching over internet to how to make it work. Just go to Apple Store and ask them how they can really fix it for you, because you might really need to service your AirPods to really get things working for you. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to Tech with MK. Do like and share this video. I'll see you next week, guys.